Hello everyone, I hope all is well. I wanted to talk about virtual reality and working collaboratively online. For years, virtual reality has made a number of promises. Based on the cost, we have been unable to see the real benefits of virtual reality. However, within today's context, we can explore various apps that can bring us closer to our students. Today, I want to provide an insight into an app that I see as a very effective tool in gaining that connection to students and working collaboratively online. Whether you are working in the industry, education, or any other area that requires some level of communication and collaborative working, this app is for you. However, before I go into my show and tell, let me take you to the actual device that I'll be using today. Today I'll be using the Oculus Quest. The Oculus Quest is a standalone device that allows you to enter into virtual reality and to engage. As a matter of fact, it has two handheld controllers that you can practically use. Another feature of the Quest is that you do not have to actually have the devices in your hand, because you can have your hand moving in the virtual world after you set it up. Alright, so at this point in time, I'm going to take you into the app so you can see actually what I'm talking about.
Yeah, so here we go, and you enter the app Spatial and you load that app within the virtual reality headset. Once you've done that, you're going to get a pop-up that you can select your zone that you'd want to work in, so to speak. And I'm just going to go to explore Mars exploration, which I think it's a hands-on sort of technology. Here I can practically move the assets around, and it would be nice to have a group work and a group activity here. I have an avatar that I'm using currently for this one. It's interactive and so forth. And of course, I can move around the assets in this area. I can also write on electronic notepad in this zone, and I think it's really an opportunity for students and teachers to work collaboratively together. I could also include individuals from outside and share a link with them, that is, and let them come in. I want to also focus on the capacity or the ability to maybe adjust settings. For example, I could change the environment. Here, I'm able to write on the board. As you can see here, I'm writing at this point in time, and I'm able to make notes. So it could be a collaborative group project going on, and you could load any form of content in this. Here you can also see that I'm moving around the objects again, and I'm able to play around. And of course, again, I'm not able to show myself in this one because I'm actually the only person, but if I had other individuals in, you'd see their avatar in the zone. Here I can again change the background that I want, and I'm just showing you another aspect here. It's another room. This could be a planning room that you could have collaboration taking place, multiple persons working in this area of notes and writing their notes collaboratively. This is just one of the many features of this app. Here again, I'm going to scribble something on the page just for you to understand the concept that I'm trying to portray at this point in time. I want to also take a moment to note that you can practically add your Google Drive to this app. You can do Slack if you needed to, and there are other gadgets that you can put in to ensure that the collaboration is taking place. It lends itself to a lot of technology that is already out there for individuals to work collaboratively together. There you see I can add my Google Drive. This is another room that you can go into. You have the ability to change the environment or to construct a zone that you'd like. Here again, you have different platforms that you can work in. I'm just highlighting them, and I think it's a wonderful sort of interaction that can lead teacher and student to have great collaboration. There's also the ability to go through a tutorial to learn how to engage, and as you can see here, I'm taking you to that zone so you can see where you could practice and learn how to navigate using various tools. That's my avatar. At this point in time, you can see that, and there are many other areas that you could develop within the space here. taking you back to the place again to show you that you have so many spaces that you can work collaboratively together. And I could also work here, and I want to look at myself. That's my avatar there. And I could add myself to a space if I wanted to. Here, that's my avatar. That's my actual image. I took a photograph on my camera, superimposed it on this, and that would be my avatar in the learning zone. So others who come in can actually see a picture of myself in an avatar form, and they would interact. So it gives a more personalized sort of framework for engagement. So in the environment, you could easily identify me based on the avatar. So what I'm saying is we can use this to create so many learning engagements for students, and also to bring students and teachers closer together. This is just one of the many things and promises of virtual reality.
I do hope you enjoy the experience of having me go through the possibilities with this app. The reality is, I am happy to share this information with you because I think this is going to be the future of our engagement with students and other individuals across the world. So I'm saying to you at this point in time, embrace the technology because virtual reality is actually here to stay and will be the next modality. Thanks, and look out for more videos coming on as it relates to virtual reality and teaching with virtual reality. That's all for now.